Get the Land Cruiser over here, pronto! We gotta yank this thing out before it sinks all the way up to the rear bumper. Hey there, fellas. Oh, have we got a fun experiment in store for you. Check out what we've got here. So we were able to source 4 manhole covers. A bunch of people suggested we replace the wheels with some of these. Though I have to say that these aren't the ones that you usually find on the road. They put these on sidewalks, so they're a bit slimmer. Yeah, by the way, don't worry, we didn't steal them. Okay, so now all we have to do is position them, drill a few holes, install them onto the car, and go for a drive. Let's do this. Replacing the wheels with manhole covers. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Alright guys, we have made it to the test track. We're not going to be driving on the track itself though, rather on that patch over there. There's plenty of space in that area, although it has been covered in dirt during the course of the winter. There used to be pavement over there, and I'm pretty sure that there's still a bit left. Right, so let's replace the wheels with some manhole covers, which weigh about 25 kilos each. Then we tighten them down and do some driving, just like you guys requested. Let's do this. Okay, we are ready to go. Starting the motor. Why did this come on? Okay, let's go. Oh man, I feel bad for the suspension. The rumble is pretty harsh, but the car is moving. Check that out. The metal on asphalt noise is just... nice. The road is covered in small rocks. This is a great way to check how well the suspension works. Oh man, this is pretty rough. But what else do you expect? It's basically the same thing as driving on bare rims. I am not a fan of how it drives over the larger stones. I don't know, maybe I should go find a mound of something. Let's go find some dirt. I mean, this is a bit too rough. Riding on pavement is just unbearable. Oh wow. And now all of a sudden it goes quiet, as soon as we made it to a patch of dirt. Suddenly there isn't nearly as much noise in the cabin. Meanwhile, the car is still driving. Check it out. You can see a bit of grass growing here and there. Okay, there's something going on. But no worries. Alright, let's just keep driving. Over this dirt. It is riddled with stones though. Oh man. I can see some sand over there. I'm gonna go ahead and plow right through it. As usual, the transmission popped out of gear. Let's pick up a bit of speed. They seem to be happy when you go a bit faster. Everything seems to be okay. There we go. And now we're coming up to a wooden plank. Now you watch what happens to the steering wheel. Okay, so that didn't fluster the car at all. Going uphill.
No?
Oh, for God's sake. Am I seriously not getting up this incline? The tranny pops out of gear. Alright, barely any wheel spin. Fantastic. But how do I get down now? I should be okay. Careful now. Keep to the edge. Closer to the edge. Awesome, there's still a bit of snow down here. Let's see how it manages the snow. Oh, it just took a big jump on me. Awesome. Time for us to leave the pavement. That's it, we're stuck. It doesn't want to tread on dirt. What's up? It dug itself into the ground or what? You should take it easy on the gas, man. The wheels have dug themselves deep. Where's the Land Cruiser? Get the Land Cruiser over here, pronto. We gotta yank this thing out before it sinks all the way up to the rear bumper. Here we go. What the hell? Why does it keep popping out of gear? I can't say it dug itself in too deep. Alright, so after getting stuck, now I try getting out. It doesn't have enough power. It is digging itself out, though. Let's try going forward. Right. Nope. What's the matter with you? Come on, keep up the momentum. Okay, fellas. Let's give this thing all we got. Come on now. That was terrifying. All right, fellas. Let's see how much speed we can pick up. And once I get up to speed, I'll try braking as hard as I can. This should be pretty interesting. Did you see that braking distance? It doesn't want to stop. It just skids over the tarmac and keeps going. Let's try that again. Accelerating. Here we go. This is dangerous. That's it.
Мы уехали.
We just left the road and wound up in the snow.
Благополучно прямо в снег.
You know what? Driving on these skinny... They are pretty thin. No more than an inch in thickness. Anyway, these manhole covers have no grip whatsoever under braking. It's the same story with acceleration. The steering does work somewhat, but it can't brake for shit. I'm losing this tug-of-war. I couldn't tow that thing if my life depended on it. That's a pretty big car over there for me to drag. All right. I am tired of driving around in that thing. So Ivan asked me whether I'd like to go out and do some donuts. But I've had my fill with them donuts. Looks like he decided to go have some fun anyway. More power to him. Okay, so I've just had a go on these manhole covers, which is something a lot of our viewers wanted to see. What can I say? That was an interesting experience. The car shakes and rattles. The steering wheel is all over the place. You need a really firm grip on the steering when one of the front wheels goes over a big rock, for instance. Otherwise, you might not be able to hold on. You saw that the car doesn't grip under acceleration. It just helplessly skids over the pavement. Or when you hit some snow and ice, it's almost impossible to control. Everything rattles, shit falls off. At some point, I couldn't stop in time and plowed straight through a pile of snow. But all in all, this was fun. We'll do anything to get a smile out of you guys. Anyway, that's it for today's experiment. We've done good here. The manhole covers didn't even break. Okay, that's all I have for you. You guys watch our videos, subscribe, leave some comments and suggestions. All right, catch you later.